Rank getting out, and there's more to come. We've already seen how many feet of snow. Where was it? Did you say there was a 14-foot observation that they've seen with this?
There was, I saw there was like, I think it was like 13.8 was the one I saw, but now it stands to reason you've got to be over 14. This was about 10 hours ago.
And we're going to add even more to that, right?
Easy.
So it's been quite intense with our atmospheric river events, as they are called. They are pulling in. There's your moisture. Here's the huge energy associated with it. And you see little spins of energy within the huge spin of energy coming in. That's giving us some lift. That's giving some oomph, some power to this. And you see it streaming in central into Northern California. With the rain, and that snow will start coming down as well. Wait till you see the numbers. Still that potential for flooding here. This is going to be ongoing into next week. We have storms today, towards the end of the week. This weekend, a powerful one maybe on Saturday. A big one, it looks like, coming in on Monday. And so even the smallest amount of rain is going to exacerbate the situation. And by the way, we're not getting small amounts of rain. We're getting big rainfall totals. 60% of the West is in drought. This will help ease some of that and fill up some of those reservoirs, as we have the rain and the snow going right over a lot of these hard-hit areas when it comes to the drought condition. Snowpack is anywhere from 176 to 250% of where we should be. But Wednesday, it's coming in. Notice as we head into our Thursday, still stays pretty north. Friday drops down a little bit south of the Bay Area, and then into our Saturday, getting back into Southern California. And again, this goes into our Sunday and even into our Monday as well. It's pretty wild here. All of this, of course, causing flooding, mudslides, power outages, and evacuations. And the powerful storms pummeling California, delivering deadly rounds of rain. And Governor Gavin Newsom sat down with Jim Cantor to talk more about how they're dealing with all of this ongoing weather. Jim has the very latest with that. Jim, what do you say?
You know, again, I talked to him for about 12 minutes or so.
We are a mere 21 days into winter, but wow, what a wild winter it's been. We've had the historic outbreak in December with the cold air, along with a Buffalo Christmas blizzard that killed 43 people, Jim.
Yeah, and now we're live in California, continuing to deal with these atmospheric rivers, one right after another. As the governor updated us yesterday afternoon, the death toll now at 17 deaths as well from these storms. And, of course, we have more on the way, Steph.
Yeah, we do. So let's go to Denver to talk with Ken Graham, the director of the National Weather Service since June. Before that, his name might sound familiar to you because he led the National Hurricane Center. Ken Graham, always good to talk to you and see you here. Let's talk about during hurricanes, how we say you don't want to focus on just the cone because the impacts can happen outside of the area. What would you say is the equivalent messaging for winter storms?
I mean, it's very simple.